burger's good.
Yo, Chinaman! Taste some of that American democracy, bitch! You, me, rap battle now! America, the most powerful force. You're shooting down your while we're getting divorced. Take over the world, the earth's keeper, knocking on your doors even if you don't need us. How is it that 300 million of us can bury 1.3 billion of you in the dust? We're ballers, and your people are weak. Half of your nation can't even afford to eat. Come on, man, you think you can rap? You probably work in a sweatshop and eat cats. You whack bitches goes like ass and dead rats. We're real humans, just numbers and stats.
Hey, you fucking fat. Your mama told me you need a snack. You fucking shit, you make me sick. You look up Vietnam, now suck it, bitch. Listen to me and all my instruction. Down here's a weapon of a mass reproduction. Chinatown here, and Chinatown there. Before you even know it, Chinatown everywhere. Be scared, we'll steady fucking your whole nation. Fed them American fuck, I hate them. We ban Facebook and we ban YouTube. We ban anything that look like you. Got your paper tiger, you little faggot. Come over here, ride my hidden dragon.
What? Huh? Could you say that again? Cause I barely need to see the fucking word that you said. Maybe you should try to speak in Chinese instead, so I can laugh at your language while I blast you with that. I'm your villagers and buildings, we bombing and stealing shipping and have no hesitation killing millions of civilians. Our army's dramatic, your army's asthmatic. Keep blasting your ass until y'all Democrats. So just expect the worst when we get berserk. Cause with a smirk we'll twerk when you're deep in the earth. Piss on it first, send your ashes to space, so the world is clean without a trace of your race.
Fuck you, piece of shit white boy. I cut you up and eat you with bok choy. Listen to you cry when your face is deep fried. American spring roll, 2 for 5. Shooting up your nation like he was at school. With more rage than another figure ain't cool. Can't wait till the great war into your anus and record it like a porno so your gayness get famous. Feed your throat, chicken feet till you choke. Plant bamboo seed in your big bum hole. No hope as it grow, your ass so get poked. A lot more like